Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to start TeamViewer on a startup. So guys, it is a very simple fix. You just have to change a few settings into your TeamViewer. So first things first is open up your TeamViewer into your computer, guys. And now here on the TeamViewer homepage, you should be able to see the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and a pop-up will show up, and you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings over here. Now after that, guys, you can just simply go ahead and go to the screen over here on the left side, as you can see, and a window will pop up, and you can just simply go ahead and go for the general over here. And now here on the general, you will have a feature over here, start TeamViewer with Windows. So TeamViewer will launch automatically after you start your computer. So guys, if you turn this on, you will have this feature over here. So make sure that this is turned on in order for you to fix the issue. And pretty much you will have other options as well, like TeamViewer device dock, and you will have a compact view over here, and you will have your device name as well. And pretty much that's all you need to do. And if you don't see the option over here, just make sure, guys, that you have the latest version of TeamViewer into their website. You could always check it out. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.